Welcome to Design Creators. If you work as a graphic designer for a couple of months, you will begin to understand all the problems that a graphic designer will face. These are global issues that all graphic designers have to deal with. Due to these problems mostly, you are stressed. That's why I make these videos to help you solve these problems. I'm going to cover the rest of the issues in the upcoming videos. In this video, I'll explain the empty space problem. When you get a certain experience in graphic design, you begin to realize that keeping your design simple will make your design more beautiful and professional. But the problem with this, what your customer will start complaining about your design, saying it is too simple and it has a lot of empty space, and the customer will ask to fill it with more content. The customer could even say, to scale things up to fill any gaps. Seems like 5 minutes worth of work. If it's that easy, why should I pay you more? You must first be aware that your client will have no idea about graphic design. You should start by explaining some things to your customers. Figure out a way of explaining the difference between an ugly design and a professional one. Here are some of the pictures I prepared for you that you will be able to show your customers. The links for downloading these images can be found in the description. Which of these rooms would you rather spend your time in? Room 1 or 2? Which product presentation looks more premium? Which leaflet would be easier to read? You will probably pick the option 1 for most of the questions, or perhaps in all of them. Empty space refers to the space left in between elements or within an individual element of your design. Having all the elements in a single area, thinking it would be helpful for users go through, might just be a mistake. Empty space create more focus, directive in reading flow, and creating a balance which makes navigating your eyes easier. Users would find the overwhelming in some cases, having sufficient information difficult to digest, because it's just hard to read and focus. In some cases, having sufficient empty spaces might just give a premium look for your design. Good luck on your next project. For more graphic design tips and tricks, subscribe to Design Creators.